Welcome home, Bitcoin Truth Seekers. It is Tuesday, November 17th, 7:57 a.m. here in the Arizona desert, and the market is rocking. Bitcoin has definitely broken over that $17,000 barrier. It's a wonderful, beautiful day. Ethereum is over that $450 psychological barrier, coming in at $470, up 2.4%. XRP 30 cents, up 6%. That's insane. And of course, Bitcoin coming in today at 17,080, and it's up 5%. Dominance is 67%. Wow, rockin', rockin', rockin'. So let's look at the market here and see what's going on. Trading volume for Bitcoin last 24 hours, $2.8 billion, not bad at all. 1.6 billion of that on Binance, and Coinbase coming in at 366 million, and Kraken definitely showing up for work today, coming in at 257 million. I hope Coinbase doesn't dump today. All right, let's refresh here on Blockchain Whispers and see sentiment. Sentiment is 65% long, 34% short. I will say the sentiment right now is long, but of course we are really cranking. You know what happens when you pump for a long time? You got to retrace a little bit. So let's see how these charts are looking. Let's look at commercial real estate today, opening with a red candle. Agricultural chemicals opening with a red candle. Let's look at Carnival Cruise Lines opening with a red candle. Royal Caribbean opening with a red candle. Zoom, red candle. But Fiverr has a slight little bit of a green tint to it. Looking at the S&P 500 opening with a red day. Russell 2000, red day. All right, US dollar, DXY, red day. Bank strength index based, well, I should say bank strength based on the KRE, US bank strength that is, a red candle. So the day is definitely opening without a positive pump. On the positive side, it's kind of meh to red, but the crypto market is rocking. All right, my Trump Biden chart here. The yuan versus the dollar is definitely pumping, so it's looking good for Biden right now. It's an apolitical chart. I just look at this because depending on which way this goes is a huge part of how I will be playing the market, crypto and traditional. So I just share this to help people who care to know what that sentiment is right now. All right, gold. Green candle, very, very slight though. Silver, red candle. These are both opening kind of meh. We don't exactly know what's going on there in those markets. How many gold coins will it take to buy a Bitcoin? 9 this morning. All right, hey, tradelikeagenius.com. Check it out, tradegenius.co. There's some Black Friday deals. This one right here, if you're a crypto person, $2.99 for the year, or if you're really hardcore, you can go $7.99. You get the VIP chat room and such with that. This, you get the crypto calls, the crypto chat room and such for $2.99. Really, this is just impeccable. They have a lot of training videos, and it's a great community. I just cannot say this enough good things about it. And right now, the best deal I've ever seen for Black Friday. Usually it's $3.99. That's about as good as you can get. Right now, you can get in for $2.99 for the year. And you know, if you really, really like it and you're nice, after you buy this and you realize you want to upgrade, usually you can just pay the difference for this one. Anyway, that's up to them, but I can tell you that there's a good possibility. With that said, say Craig sent you from Bitcoin Daily View, or Craig sent you from Radiant Creators, or just Craig, whatever. Let them know, because you're going to dig it. You're going to be glad you did. Futures, CMA Futures, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, coming in at 17,200 right now. And then Bitcoin versus Tether on Binance, 17,169. So futures slightly higher than reality. All right, let's look at Bitcoin on the daily. Well, this little effervescent green line here, which was 16,000, is something we can almost just forget about now. That's long gone. Anyway, today we opened with a beautiful body of the candle over the body of yesterday's candle. This is a beautiful, beautiful thing. We're challenging at the top of this channel we've been working on. The MACD is beautifully open. The histogram is widening, so we are pumping like a rocket ship to Pluto on the daily chart. It is wonderful. It is glorious. Let's look at a 4-hour chart. For the MACD. All right, the MACD, beautiful opening, widening on the 4-hour MACD. How about the 2-hour MACD? Are we seeing any turnaround? No. So really, on 2-hour and 4-hour and daily time frame, as far as MACD goes in general chart, with this upwards channel that we're looking at, I mean, we are just rocking. And if we look at a weekly, as you can see, I mean, that's just That's just insane. So these are like huge, giant steps. Give a shout out to John Coltrane. Bitcoin is doing giant steps today, or I should say the last couple weeks. So rocket ship to Pluto, how long does this pump last? I'm going to tell you, it lasts until it doesn't. So with that said, looking at the 45-minute chart for immediate price action, we are well above the 200 moving average. All the EMAs on the Super Copy indicator have rolled green. Directional index is in the right direction. It's green. The ADX is a little low. It's at 18, it's about 19. Once that hits the low 20s, we're going to start seeing probably even more velocity. The stochastic and RSI, well, as you can see, they're at the top. But you think they were going to swing down. Usually go up, swing down, up, swing down, up, swing down, up, swing down. We're going up, but we're changing our mind. So you can kind of see this pattern right here. How we went up, then we went, I'm going to change my mind and keep going up. Maybe that's what we're going to do again. Very, very possible. So when you're in pump territory like this, I mean, if you're a long-term holder, you're like, great, because we're probably going to get a new higher high, I'm sure. If we retrace at all ever, it just hit 17,200 for a second there on BTC versus Tether on Binance. So we're a rocket ship to Pluto. I don't even know how to play this game. I'm just glad that I've been dollar cost averaging for a long time, and this is good for me. What I buy right now, not financial advice, entertainment purposes only. I might wait until this subsides a little bit, get some sideways going on. But you know what? Ain't no guarantee. We could be 18,000 by the end of today and only retrace to 17,800. So I always say, you know, you might be a swing trader and all, but for heaven's sakes, have your HODL, because at times like this, you'll be glad you did. Looking at XRP, just because this is going to be kind of the altcoin that I cover because so many people are really into it. If we look at this in a short time frame, the XRP on the 4-hour rocket ship to Pluto, we're kind of far from this red moving average here, which is the 8 moving average. Usually you don't stay too far from it too long, so I'd say, you know, XRP is beginning to be slightly extended in its pump. But hey, it was 25 cents what a day ago, now it's 30. That's rocking well above the 200 moving average. It's made some beautiful bounces off it recently. The directional index is in the green, ADX is 34, and stochastic and RSI are maxed out. They can certainly go sideways for quite a while like it has back here and continue pumping. So it is strong, but look at those wicks on this doji. We might be getting ready to see a Darth Maul doji if that turns red. If you are an XRPer, you are happy today. I can't tell you which way this is going to go because the market is so extended. It will probably pump until Bitcoin begins to show some weakness, you know, so that pump starts to go sideways a little bit. Looking at XRP on the 4-hour chart, directional index is good, ADX is just starting to turn down, and so is the stochastic RSI, which means it may ultimately have even more room for a swing up. If you ask me, if I was going to be trading today, I'm seeing this little pattern right here. I think we're probably going to see it again. By the way, look at this chart. Of course, not financial advice. You know, I can't do that. I wouldn't do that. Grayscale now holds 500 million Bitcoin. Grayscale plays to win this big super money. Does not have what is it? How many? That's not 500,000 in Bitcoin value. That's 500,000 Bitcoin, and they've been accumulating this. So look, big money like this does not play to lose. They ain't buying this and shorting it, as far as I know. So with these kind of big numbers, seeing this, yeah, on the 45-minute chart for Bitcoin and the weekly chart, oh my heavens, and look at this daily chart. This is no surprise, or at least it shouldn't be. And here's this little line, like a little moment of silence for 16K. May never see you again, or might. We'll see. That's kind of optimistic to say that, I know. But anyway, check out Trade Like a Genius, tradegenius.co, link in the description. Say Craig sent you. Get this deal of the month. You're going to be glad you did. I'm serious. Not financial advice, but really, it's a darn good deal. It's a year. Come on in, people. Get in the water. It's beautiful. BitcoinDailyView.com, where I link to an interview with Bob Kudla, one of the founders of Tradegenius, and also VP from he is the man behind No Nonsense Forex. Great interview on the psychology of trading. Join the conversation, get in the Telegram group, say hi, and also I do have some indicators on Telegram that you can hop on that are free, and you can get little alerts when certain things happen that are good in the market. See everybody later. It's a darn good day.